Hi Dresser Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Hello Kitty ice cream from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this yummy Hello Kitty, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with an oval. And I'm going to come right across, nice and wide, say about right here, and draw another oval. From there, I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in, and you know what? I'm going to put in a highlight right here, just to give Hello Kitty's eyes some sparkle. But if you don't like how that looks, definitely just shade it all in black, just like the original Squishmallow. And same thing here. Okay, so now I have my two oval eyes in. Let's go ahead and we're going to come in between the eyes, right in the center, about right here. And I'm going to draw a little oval nose right in the center. Then from there, we need to start to draw our Squishmallow shape. So I am going to come, let's just say the center of your eye, just to make it a little bit simpler. The center of your eye, we're going to come out nice and wide. So say about right here. And same thing over here. Put the same amount of space, so about right here. And I'm going to basically draw a big dome curve over for the top of the head. So let's go up nice and high. So hopefully you're using a pencil. You can make any adjustments you need. If it's too high or too low, just take a look. Let's say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. Curve towards the center, about right there. And I'm going to imagine this curve is coming all the way through to here. But I'm not going to draw anything there because I have this big bow I need to draw. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead, and I'm just going to say about right here. I'll just go ahead and finish my curve. But if you're using a pencil, definitely finish this curve. Then let's go ahead and we're going to bring this down to create our Squishmallow shape. So it's a little bit wider about right here, and then I'm going to start to bring it in. And before I do that, let's say about, let's see here. Let's say about right here. Let's cut it off. So I kind of know how long to make our Squishmallow. I'm going to drag that point across so I make sure I'm going the same area on the other side. And I'm going to draw a curve to cut off her head from the cone. So let's say about right here. I'm going to draw a big curve across. Then from there, so I know about, okay, let's keep going down. Just gonna take a look, see how long you want to make this part. So about right there. Let's go ahead and bring it in. And I'm gonna connect everything at the bottom. There. Okay, so now I'm looking at my camera. I need to bring this in a little bit more just to even out the shape. And bring this down a little bit more. Sometimes it's just a lot smoother than other times. No, I've just made a mess. But hopefully you get the idea. You just want to draw that big Squishmallow shape. Then from there, let's see here, let's go back up and we're going to come back into this area where let's draw Hello Kitty's ear. So I'm going to come about right here, and it's just easier for my hand to go this way. So I'm going to go up nice and high to about right there, round off the tip and bring it down. Then from there, like I said, if you're using a pencil, finish this curve. But I'm going to come into this area and I'm going to draw this really big bow to cover this area so we don't need to draw the ear. So, and we're going to draw at this angle. So just turn your body if you need to. Let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve for the top of our strawberry. And I'm going to bring it down. Just want to make sure I'm past that curve to create our strawberry shape. So it's wider here at the top and narrow towards the bottom. Then let's come up here and just going to draw the crown of our strawberry, and let's put in some seeds. So I'm just going to go ahead and thicken up these little teardrop shapes here and there. There. Okay, so now we know it's a strawberry, right? Hopefully. Then let's go ahead and using this as our center, I'm going to come back about right here and draw a loop for our bow. And same thing here. You just want to make sure it's big enough that it covers this whole area. And I'll just come in here for a center and draw a little loop. And I'll come back and just finish off the head and bring it back here. There. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we need to come back and draw, let's see, I'm going to come up above Hello Kitty's eye and just draw a soft curve, and then the whiskers, very important whiskers. You need to fill up the space. So let's say about right here where her eyes are. I'm going to come in here and draw 3 angle lines and thicken it up. So same thing on this side. So about right here. And here. There, now it's more like Hello Kitty with the stripes, right? And then now to make it a ice cream, let's come down here and we're going to draw some drizzle. So let's say about right here, I'm going to start to go up and down. And have fun with this. You just want to change it up. So maybe the one that's lower right here, and then go up and finish it off. And then at the bottom part right here, you just want to use like a dark, maybe like a dark yellow, and draw a bunch of cross lines to create the cone shape right there, cone texture. But other than that, let's come back in here and I'll just lightly draw in some sprinkles. So just draw some circles here and there to finish it off. And so like I said, at the bottom right here, just draw some angle lines to finish that part. And that is pretty much it, except I need to, let's see here, I should have done maybe this one. I'll change this one into a heart. There. I forgot to do that earlier, so I'll come in here real quick and make that a heart sprinkle. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Hello Kitty ice cream from Squishmallows. I really hope you love this and that I helped you draw fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.